Hurricane season on the Treasure Coast. Here's how to protect your appliances before, during, and after a storm. Before the storm, set your refrigerator and freezer to their coldest settings at least 24 hours before the storm. The colder they start, the longer food stays safe if power goes out. Fill empty space in your freezer with water bottles. A full freezer stays frozen longer than a half-empty one. The frozen bottles act as ice packs. Unplug all non-essential appliances, ovens, dishwashers, washers, dryers, microwaves. This protects them from power surges when electricity comes back on. Utility companies recommend this. Do not unplug your refrigerator or freezer unless flooding is expected. You want them cold as long as possible. If flooding is expected, if you're in a flood zone, move portable appliances to higher ground. Washers and dryers on the ground floor can be destroyed by even a few inches of water. After the storm, do not plug appliances back in until power has been stable for at least 30 minutes. The initial power restoration often has voltage fluctuations that can damage electronics. If your refrigerator was without power, a closed fridge keeps food safe for 4 hours. A full freezer keeps food frozen for 48 hours. A half-full freezer, 24 hours. If food has been above 40 degrees for more than 2 hours, discard it. Post-hurricane appliance repair. Surges during power restoration are the #1 cause of post-hurricane appliance failures. Control boards and compressors are most vulnerable. Post-hurricane appliance repair available. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.